If you're a bird lover, then you need to know this cool fact about how birds feed their chicks. Birds have some amazing tricks up their feathers. Did you know robins bring worms to their hungry babies? Sparrows, on the other hand, love to serve up bugs, but it gets even cooler. Pigeons make a type of bird milk called crop milk. They actually regurgitate it to feed their chicks. And flamingos, they do the same, but their milk is bright red. Each bird has a unique way to keep their little ones full and happy. Nature sure is amazing, right? See you next time for more bird-tastic facts.